Hi, can I help you?
Hello. I was wondering, do you have any cars available from tomorrow? I know it's a busy time of year and I haven't booked.
Don't worry, you're in luck. We have 3 cars available. A small car, a medium and a large.
How many seats do they have?
The small car can carry 4 people, the medium car has 5 seats, and the large one has enough seats for 7 people.
Are they all 4-door cars?
The small car has 2 doors. The others have 4.
Well, I'd really like 4 doors, not 2. But there are only 4 of us. I don't need 7 seats.
So this one will be best for you, I think.
That looks great.
So how long do you want it for?
Well, we have 5 more days of vacation here after today, so I think I'd like it for 3 days, please, because I want to spend our last 2 days here in this town.
That's fine. And will you be the only driver?
My son would like to drive, but my husband doesn't want to. He hates driving on narrow roads.
How old is your son?
He's 18.
I'm afraid only people over the age of 20 can drive our cars.
Really? That's a shame. He will be disappointed. Never mind. Just me then.
Sure. So where do you plan to drive it?
I'd like to visit the churches up in the mountains. I've seen some photos of them. They look really lovely. We're tired of spending time on the beach.
Sure. Well, you will need to be careful. Those roads are steep and narrow. Do you want to take out extra insurance?
Aren't the cars insured?
Yes, but if they are damaged, you will have to pay €1,500. But if you take out the extra insurance, you will only pay €50 if you damage the car.
How much is the insurance?
€20 per day. So that's 60 in total.
It seems like a good idea. I could easily hit something, or a stone could fly up and hit the window.
Sure. Well, if you just fill out this form, I can book that all for you. So with the extra insurance, that's €386, please.
Here you are.
Great. That's all gone through. So, your car's tank will be full. Please return it full, or you will have to pay extra.
Sure. And what time can I pick it up in the morning?
We are open from 8 o'clock.
Well, we won't be here that early. We haven't gotten up before 10 o'clock since we arrived here. But tomorrow, we will make an effort to get up early and enjoy the day. I'll aim to be here at 9.
Sure. I'll see you then.